everyone, it's Mrs. Herforth from Gardner Road. I just wanted to remind everyone how to access Sora. Sora is an online digital library where you can read or listen to books right on your computer or your mobile device. So if you haven't used Sora before, it's very easy to access. Here I am on the internet, and I'm going to go to soraapp.com. .com. SORAAPP.com. The other way to access that is if you have a mobile device, you're going to search Sora in your Google Play Store or in your iTunes Store, and you should be able to find this icon right here, this cute little Sora guy. Once you search it, or once you've opened up the app, you're going to see this green box that says Find My School. Go ahead and click that. You probably won't see your school, so you're going to click My School Isn't Listed, and you're actually going to search Greater Southern Tier. And when you do that, you should find this, the Greater Southern Tier BOCES Shared Digital Collection. We actually share this collection with a lot of other schools in our BOCES area. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and then it's going to say select your school. We're actually going to select our district. So we're looking for Horseheads, and you can see that there are two different Horsehead choices depending on what grade you're in. So let's start with the one for kindergartners, first and second graders. They're going to click this one, the bottom one, Horsehead CSD K through 2. And they're going to put in the first three letters of their first name. So my first name is Elizabeth. I'm going to put E-L-I. My last name is Herforth, so I'm going to put H-E-R. And the password for all of the kindergarten, first, and second grade students is ABC123. Then they're going to go ahead and click that sign in button. For our older students, our grades 3 and 4 students, they're going to select the other choice, grades 3 through 12. It's also including staff here. And they're going to log in using their whole last name, a hyphen, and their entire first name. And then their password is going to be their 7-digit student number. And this is the number that you would find in School Tool. It's associated with their lunch count. So families, if you're having trouble locating that number, please reach out to your librarian. They can help you, but it would be listed on their report card. There's a lot of places you can find a student number. Anything from the school district that's sort of official probably has their student number listed on it. Then either way, whether you're in kindergarten, first, second, third, or fourth grade, you're going to go ahead and click on that sign in button, and it's going to take you right inside our digital library. There's so many things to see and explore. Watch for more videos about how to navigate once you're inside. We miss you. We hope to see you very soon, and please reach out to your librarian if they can help you in any way.